Hey y'all, guess who's still drooling? I swear, I'm the droolingest bitch out there. It must be all the marijuana. I go to bed and just, but I break out around my mouth all the time. I wanted to get ready with you guys today and do a video of get ready and then an unboxing, but I can't get ready with the, so that, hey, we're gonna do a Walmart unboxing. How about that? I got my Walmart beauty box in for the summer. Walmart Beauty sends me a box every quarter, so I get a box 4 times a year, and they only have me pay shipping. It's filled with coupons. Well, the last 2 boxes that I got, I didn't have any coupons. So I'm hoping that they put coupons back in this box. I kind of like the raised emblem on the box this time. But yeah, they're kind of up in their game. We're getting makeup bags now. So I'm really excited that for $5 every 4 times a year, I get a little bit of something sent to me, and I get to unwrap it with y'all. So let's see. First thing we got, oh, and I got new contact lenses too. That's why my eyes are all watery. I'm suffering from dry eyes, and yeah, I know I smoke too much. Anyway, suffering from dry eyes, and I had to put eye drops in. But we got a Dove Fresh Coconut dry shampoo. You see that? That's a good sample size. And then we got some Hello toothpaste. This is anti-plaque and whitening. So we got this. The last box I got had the black toothpaste in it. I didn't like it. It ended up staining my teeth. Did you guys get this? Have you tried the charcoal toothpaste? That totally ruined my teeth. I had to go back into the dentist, and they had to power clean my teeth with baking soda salt solution or something. Oh, it tasted horrible, but it was like, anyway. We got all kinds of things in this bag. We got a done-in-one brow pomade with a brow pencil thing. We got the brow pencil and the pomade. I got some pretty big eyebrows. I know I need to tame them and go in and have them waxed. I need to do that soon. It's past time. And then we got Egyptian Magic. And it is a healing balm. You can use this on dry, chapped lips. I could probably use this on my pimples. I can use it on the cat scratches where the cat got me this morning. So yeah, we got that too. That's 4 things, and there's still stuff in my bag. Oh, we got another purifying black charcoal mask. I love these black charcoal masks. All of these little spots you see, when, like tonight, I'll put one of these on before I go to bed after I wash really good. And then I'll put on my salicylic acid stuff before I go to sleep, and this should clear up really well for me. But I love these things, and I did price these the other day when I was in Walmart, and these are $2.50 a piece. And that's everything in the bag. Let's see, we got, oh, Purely Pretty. Rate and review this season's products to win a $100 gift card. So we got that, and then we got a card explaining about all of the different Hello toothpaste products they have. Yeah, it's a from farm to tube minty goodness. It's vegan, made in the United States. It is, I'm still trying to get used to these lenses. This is a sucker. Here it is. See if I can read it. And I just had my eyes dilated a couple hours ago too, so they're still kind of funky. This tube of goodness helps brush away plaque. Shows Tartar who's boss, and I had to stop because I wasn't for sure 100% that that's what it actually said, but it actually says shows Tartar who's boss, and naturally whitens teeth with friendly minerals made from epically refreshing farm-grown peppermint tea tree oil to tame bad breath and moisturizing coconut oil. We're talking mind-blowing freshness here. So, yeah, we got that. The card doesn't it only has this product on it. It doesn't have everything else. But then I got this too. It's a collagen vitality blend that I can mix with a drink, which I will probably, I don't know if y'all seen my coffee video, but I show you how I make my iced coffee. I gotta go do another refill, you can see. But this is a collagen peptide, kind of a vitamin. It's unflavored, but it is keto friendly. And it has 18 amino acids, 18 grams of protein, 20 grams of collagen, and it has collagen types 1 and 3, and it says it's easy to digest. So I get a sample pack of that. And here is the back if y'all wanna freeze it and scroll in on it. So, we got that, we got the purifying mask, we got the eyebrow pomade, we got the toothpaste, yes I said tooth, we got the dry hair shampoo, the healing balm, and a bag, So, for $5, really, really good. The only thing I'm missing is I still need the coupons, Walmart. What happened to the coupons? You know, bring the coupons back, Walmart. Help a girl out. We're broke trying to get rid of our zits. All right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you in my next video. Take care, y'all.